So, hello students, hope you all are doing well. Let's continue our Java Oops series, okay? So today we will gonna discuss about the final and finally keyword in Java, okay? So let me share my desktop screen and then we will continue our today lecture, okay? So Uh, our today topic is final and finally keyword. Okay. See, basically, let's discuss first of all final keyword. Okay. See, basically, final means if you had declared any attributes as a final in your Java program, then you can't make change into them, or you can't just perform the another kind of operation on that particular final attribute. Okay, see, if let's take a variable int a is equal to 5. Okay, int a is equal to 5. Okay, and if here I just wanted to print the a, then what will be the output? 5. 5 will be the output here. Okay, 5. Okay, but if here I just wanted to just update the value of my a for the 10. Okay, and now I'm gonna print the a, then what should be the output? 10. See, the previous output is 5, and if I had just update the value of a, then the value of a is become 10 here. Okay, so I can just make any kind of updation in my variable. Okay, update update in my variable. Okay, but if if I'm gonna declare my variable a as a final. Okay, but what if I just want that nobody can just make any kind of further updation in my variable a. I just wanted it that now from now the value of a should not be changed, then what I'm going to do, I just declare the a as a final, as a final. Okay, so by just declaring the variable a as a final, the 5 is being fixed here. Okay, now the value of a will not gonna change or update in a future. Okay, see, it shows now error. Okay, the final local variable can't be assigned. The final local variable can't be, it must be blank or not using the compound assignment. Okay, see, now I can't able to just update my variable a. Okay, so this is the property of your final. Okay, uh, that means if you had declared your variable as a final, then you can't make any kind of changes or updation into it. Okay, see, now if I'm gonna comment out this, and if I will print it, then see, 5 is being printed here. Okay, so this is the concept of final with a variable. Also, you can make your class as a final as well. Also, you can define your class as a final as well. Then what will be gonna difference between your final class or normal class? See, if you had declared your class as a final, if you had declared your class as a final, then you can't extend that particular class to the another class. Means you can't inherit the final class to the another class. Okay, so let's write it here. If your class is final, okay, final class, then you cannot, you can't, okay, wait a second, you can't inherit or extend. Okay, extend your class to the another class. Okay, another class. Okay, Let's see. This is my animal class that I had declared as a final. Okay. Now I can't just the extend my animal class to any other class. Okay. Now see, if I had taken the class, let's say cat. Okay, and I want to inherit my animal class into it, animal class into it. Okay, then I can't inherit them. See, I throws the error. See, the type cat cannot be subclass of a final class animal. Okay, that means you can't just simply extend a final class to a another class. Okay, this is the property of your final class. Okay, and now if I am gonna remove the final from here, then see the error is gonna finish here, and now I can able to just extend my animal class in my cat class. Okay, so this is the property of defining your class as a final. Okay, also, you can just simply define your method as a final as well. How? See, if I had my method here, let's take it public. Okay, public return type will be void here. Okay, let's take it as a dog. Okay, dog. So I can also define my method as a final as well. Then what will be the properties going to define that if I had declare my method as a final, then I can't override that particular method to the another class. Okay. See what I'm trying to say. See, just pass a simple message that this is your dog class. Okay. This is your dog class. Okay. See, if I had, I am gonna declare my mm, dog method as a final. Okay, final, final, then okay, final public void. Okay, then I can't able to override this method to the another class. Okay, see now if I'm just trying to override this method to my cat class, then let's see what will gonna happen. Uh, till now, just remove this final. Okay, and now define the same method here. Public, just to override it. Okay, public void dog. Okay, and inside this, I will gonna pass the second dog method. Second dog method. Okay, second dog method. Let's take it system out of println. Okay, system dot out of println, and inside this second dog. Okay, and if I'm gonna run my program. Okay, run my program. So what I have to do, I have to create the object of my both class. Okay, let's al is equal to new animal. Okay, and the second one is cat. Okay, I think it's a cat ct is equals to new cat. Okay, and by using these by using these the object, I can able to just call these two same method dog. Okay, so let's call by using the al object dot dog. Okay, the method is dog, and by using the ct object, I'm gonna call the again same method dog. Okay, then what should be the output? The output should be a print for this particular object called. The output will be the this is your top class, and for this particular object called, the output will be the second dog method. Okay, let's run a program. Then see the output is being as our required. This is your dog class, city. Oh, yeah. Here we had extend our method. Okay, just remove this extend from here. Okay, extend from here, and now what will the program? This is dog DOZ. Okay, this is dog. Let's run it. See, the these two methods are being called. Okay, but what if I'm gonna declare my this public uh, void dog as a final, then I can't able to override this method again in different class. Okay, so if I'm gonna just inherit my class animal, then I can't able to just the just override this method here. Okay, override this method here. Okay, then it shows a error. Okay, what till final public void dog. Okay, this is dog. This is dog. Okay, then see, it's throw the error. What is the error? Can't override the final method from the animal. Okay, because I had declare my dog method as a final in my animal class, then I can't able to override that particular dog method in my this cat class. Okay, so this is the property of your final class with methods. Okay, so we had discussed your final keyword with the objects, and we had also discussed your final keyword with the classes, and final keyword with your method as well. Okay, now let's discuss your finally keyword. Okay, what are the meaning of your final keyword? So see, as usual, I had write this some basic definition for you guys, because this definition can be asked from you in your any mock interview time. Okay, so the basic definition of your finally keyword is it is used for the handling your exception in Java. Okay, so we are using the concept of your finally during your runtime exception. Okay, so let's define it. This is your try and catch block. Okay, by using your try and catch block, we are handling the exception in your Java. Okay, although they will your in your any Java interview, the basic definition will be gonna only ask from you guys. Okay, they will say just what is your final keyword, what are the finally keyword. Okay, and nothing more. Okay, so you just have to know that what are the finally keyword. Okay, so the finally keyword is used for the try and catch block, that means for the handling the exception. Okay, and also either the exception is occur or not, your finally block will gonna execute. Okay, either the exception in your code will be occur or not, your finally block will gonna execute. Okay, so this is the property of your finally. Also you can say that it is acting like a continue. Okay, in your back statement. Okay, see, so inside my this program, I had just declare my try and catch block. Okay, and inside my try block, there is the exception occur here. Okay, there is an exception occur here. Okay, so after the occurring the exception, this piece of code will not gonna execute. Okay, this piece of code will not gonna execute just after the occurring the exception here. Your catch block will be gonna just shows this output, that is in catch block, and dividing by the zero but count exception. Okay, so if I'm gonna run my program, then what should be the output? That in try block, then our exception is occur here, and then your catch block will gonna run at that particular point. Okay, then your finally we're gonna execute here. Okay, so let's run your program. See, divide by 0, then execute whether an exception occur or not. Okay, so this is the concept of your finally in Java. Okay, so we had discussed about your final keyword. We had discussed about your finally in Java. So I think this is more enough for you guys in any interview questions. Okay, so let's wrap up our today's session, and we will discuss tomorrow the concept of polymorphism in OOPS concept. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.